Hey guys, welcome back to Project Rowan. My name's Thomas, and today we will be unboxing the gas bike engine kit. You can get these on Amazon for about $100 to $120. I got the 80cc kit, and a lot of people say the kit says it goes 25 miles per hour, but it actually goes around 30 miles per hour. So you are getting a fast bike out of this deal. This was made in China, so there might be some manufacturing issues or customer support issues. So I'll have a link in the description for one of these kits, and let's get unboxing. So here's the package. You open it up. You got the manual. As I was looking through this manual, it almost looks like they took a YouTube video and like took snapshots and tried to explain how to put it together. Probably a better way to do this would be to just go on YouTube and just look up how to build this kit. Here's a sprocket, and then we got the foam box here, and we got the parts box here. So we're gonna open that up, throw that to the side. Automatically right here we have the engine and we have the gas tank. Let's remove this gas tank. Gas cap is not here, so I'm assuming it's in the other box. So seems pretty good. A lot of people said that there were like dents in the gas tank. I don't see that here, so I think this gas tank is pretty good for what we got. And here is the engine. Definitely bigger than I thought. Definitely though, the whole thing is definitely bigger than I thought. You got the two clamps here, so one here and one back here. It said that there was 50cc, 80cc, and 100, and I think I got the 80cc one, so hopefully that'll do the trick. There we go. Let's move this to the floor. Alright, so we got the box here. We're opening this up. And already from looking at it, it's very disorganized. Like everything's just thrown in here. For instance, see all these bolts? They're just thrown all in this bag and they assume you know how to like hook it up. I'll figure it out, it'll be fine. Okay, we got the carburetor. It kind of looks like a Makuni, but definitely less power. The filter's got these 4 holes that look a little weird, but that's okay. Then we got the kill switch right here. And we got I'm assuming this is a clutch lever or a throttle lever. Then we got the chain right here. We got, I'm not sure what this is, but this is loose in the box, so I'm not sure. I think this might be for the chain guard. And we got the chain tensioner. We got 2 cables right here. One's probably the throttle cable, one's probably the clutch cable. Another bag of just a bunch of parts. So it seems like this is fuel lines. I think that's the spark plug, and then there's some other stuff in here that I think might be for like the throttle cable setup. I think this is the coil, maybe the solenoid or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We got the 2 grips right here. One's the throttle setup and one's just a grip. This is an issue because I was gonna do it on my race bike, but the race bike has curved handles. So I'm gonna have to get a mountain bike to put this on. So this is interesting. So the chain guard is in here with the exhaust, but the chain guard doesn't seem to fit in the package. I don't know why they tried to jam that in there, but it's kind of sticking out the edge right there. So not the best packaging, I'd say. Oh, there's the chain guard. One interesting thing is there is a loose bolt in there. And that's kind of how it came. So this bolt was just loose in there. I'm assuming it's for the chain guard because it fits in the holes, but it's not good to have a loose bolt in a package. So immediately after looking at this muffler, I realized right here, there's a big old scratch, and there's some other little like dents and scratches from it just being loose with all the other parts. And I think that is a dent right there. I'm sure the muffler will just work how it's supposed to, and those dents and scratches won't be a problem, but that is kind of annoying that it came with scratches. I also noticed on the engine after looking at it that there are some scratches right here. That is also a little annoying. That's just cosmetic stuff that won't cause the engine to not work, but it did come scratched, so that is a little bit annoying that it came scratched, but it'll be fine. So overall, I think I like the kit. The minor defects that I found aren't a problem, but if you're looking for a mint kit, you might not want to go with like the Chinese kit because they don't have good customer service. Other than that, I think it's really cool. I like that it's 80cc and it's a 2-stroke. A lot of people said it goes more like 30 miles per hour, even though the kit says it goes 25. So we'll see about that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I gave you guys a better look at what you would get if you bought this kit. So I'll be definitely doing another video on assembling this whole bike. So definitely hit that subscribe so you won't miss that video coming out. Hit the link in the description to check out my merch and to check out this gas bike kit. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see y'all next time.